John, bring him over here.
Take my arm.
Come here, Bullwinkle.
No,
This is going on YouTube now.
No, he can't.
Okay, Bullwinkle.
Here's the van, his van right there.
Yeah, lean against the van here so you can get a look. On behalf of everybody here and all the fishermen for the last few years here and all the help you've given me, Bullwinkle, you never ever got your canoe in the water. You never got any line in there, and I never saw you with a fish on, so I got you a Bullwinkle with a fish on the pole and your canoe. So thanks for all your help, John.
Thank you.
All right, now.
No, it's a real Bullwinkle in a canoe.
It is a real Bullwinkle in a canoe with a fish.
I thought he was lying.
No,
No.
it's real.
All right,
You bugger.
now, where'd Russell go? He's going to pass this out for me?
It's over there.
Where'd he go?
He's got
I'll give him a minute.
Can you hear me now?
Okay. Oh, you want a picture of Bullwinkle here with his canoe? And a fish, because I never ever seen him catch one. So, none of a fish and canoe and Bullwinkle.
He took the fish out of him.
Oh, there you go. You got his fish. All right? You got that? And that's on behalf of everybody for all the good he's done here for us.
Hold her up, Johnny.
I'll even wiggle the fish.
Oh, that's what the Bullwinkle.
There we go. Perfect.
Thanks, Karen.
Okay. All right. On behalf of the Antigonish Amateur Radio Club and our annual fishing tournament we have every year, thank everybody for staying out because it poured like a bugger earlier, but everybody stayed. The amateurs that were here this year was myself, VE1AAZ, VE1JGW, which is John, VE1FZ, which is Timmy, and he's on the camera, VE1RC, which is Russell, and he's over here on another camera taking a picture of each other. VE1NRJ is Cliff, and VA1DM, and he left a little bit early. Okay. It stands like this. VE1JGW, his total of 3 fishes came to 35 3/4 inches. Woohoo! The total of Timmy's 3 fishes came to 36.5 inches.
Robbery.
The total of VE1RC Russell's fish came to 36.25 inches. But unfortunately, Cliff here, he waited out the rain in a nice dry car and come over and he pulled off 37.5 inches. So let's hear it for Cliff, guys.
Yay!
Now here, Cliff,
Ooh.
this here is your trophy from the Antigonish Amateur Radio Club, and if I had lost my hat, you guys better fish it out. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Now hold on now. Russell, did you want to pass out this the monetary donation?
No.
I lost it.
Now that's robbery if I ever seen it.
That's supposed to represent a mackerel.
Okay.
Yeah.
You also get a $20 for doing the get. Yes, you'll have to do it again next year. Now, the way the names run on this, and I'll read out the fish the same way. This is for the non-amateur that was invited in by an amateur of the radio club. And one was Bruce Morgan, the gentleman in the blue.
The Bassmaster.
Our long time, yes, he did really good all day till I got here and then he lost. But anyway, Stephanie Canning, which is over here in the flag, and Emma Canning, which is sitting here in the blue.
Sitting.
Standing.
Yeah, I'm sitting.
Oh, I'm sorry. And Maryanne Rondelet. which is, by the way, is a brand new grandmother for the first time. Yay! Now,
Congratulations.
the total of these fish came from Karen. I told you to read it in order. Karen brought in 36.5 inches worth of fish out of 3 fish. Bruce, like I said, lost out because he kept throwing his back, but he got one for 29.5 inches. And he's our resident fisherman. He's helped everybody here today, honestly. Chris Waters tried it a little bit, went home sick. Stephanie Canning, at the very last minute, she pulled off 3 fish. Hers came to 36.75 inches. Not to be undone by her daughter, Emma, which took in 37 inches. I wouldn't brag that up too much, Emma. She's not letting you have supper, Dave.
Mackerel?
And Rondelet, which wasn't sure if she was going to make it or not because she was doing the babysitting chore for Grammy today. She brought in 38.5 inch fish.
Way to go!
Okay.
So for the non-amateur, this is what we have for the non-amateur. Is this. Here. You got to get this on the tube.
Okay, hold on. A kiss there too.
All right.
Hey, look.
My battery's starting to get low.
And the $20.
Okay. And just mention too, Alfie, what the day is and the time and all that. Like this is Sunday, what?
August the 10th, and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and a great time here. I'm sure it's held by all. Everybody have a good time.
Sure, we did, yep.
You know what, Emma? Because you beat out your mom,
Oh,
I want you a little keepsake for you to remember her by.
There you go, Emma. Hey, she seems so happy.
I am.
Anyway, we hope to see you all again next year, and the prizes were donated by Alpha Taxi and B1RC and Russell Canning, and so we'd all hope you all come back again next year and give her another go. This time, don't throw all your fish away.
All right, no.
Thank you very much for all the donations. But the question is, if you won, would you get your money or your donation back?
I tried to leave it in the truck so you wouldn't get it.
I give it to Sutcliffe.
That's all right. All right, I'm going to cut her off then, Alfie. Anything else you'd like to say before we do?
Congratulations. Thanks for coming and all, and I really enjoyed the afternoon.
All right.
Tell your friends next year. We'll be here.
She's
next
done.
year.
Perfect. I think
Okay,
it's done.
guys, I can put my antique